felt like I was in a submarine during this trip. It felt magical to be able to see the fishes that are not trapped in an aquarium. The clarity of the seabed today is not perfect, but it really depends on the character. After all, the walrus was not good the day before, but the shaking was much better than that of the whale-watching boat. The upper part can overlook the scenery of Naha Port. The port is really big. In the lower part, you can get off the glass boat and enjoy the coral reefs and fish schools on the seabed. Children can also find sea snakes. Very cute. However, the fish schools are not as abundant as expected. It is an activity that you have experienced only. If you have the spare time, it may be more recommended to go snorkeling directly. Had a lovely morning out on the glass bottom boat. We didn't go too far out of the wharf to see schools of fish and corals. Unfortunately, not a huge variety of fish and sea life, and visibility was quite low. They had to rotate 2 groups of people into the bottom of the boat, so we only had about 15 to 20 minutes in there. There was also no English audio as stated in the description, only Japanese and Mandarin. All in all, worth the price paid. Great experience. Weather was iffy, but no one has control of that. The boat ride was nice. Though no one spoke English, as Klook description said. We had no idea what was being said. It's not a glass bottom boat but more of a side window viewing, still really nice. The space was not AC great, so after a bit it was stuffy, but you're not down there long. Overall, a good experience to see what lies beneath. Just show the QR code at the location's service desk and you can change your sign to get on the boat, which is quick and convenient. After an hour at sea, the crew fed the fish at the viewing location and saw groups of large and small fish competing for food. The children were even happier. They were even happier when they landed on the bottom of the glass boat and admired the corals on the seabed. Even if there are many people on the boat, there are enough seats to sit. You can enjoy the scenery during the boat trip. The sky is blue and the sea is blue. When we arrive at the destination, the staff will ask us to go down to the next level and take a look. We have to feed fish along the way to attract some fish schools. Unfortunately, the time is too short. The whole boat trip is only 45 minutes. There is no diving, but I want to take my children to experience a good activity of taking a boat and watching fish. Although the visibility was not high that day, the fun of the boat ride also made the children happy. When watching the fish in the cabin, I wanted to give up because of the poor visibility. Fortunately, the staff fed the fish so that we could see the fish school. We will definitely participate again next time. At the beginning of the year, I took 2 elderly people to Okinawa for the first time. It was very exciting. I was worried that the tightness of the itinerary would affect the toys. Later, the 2 elderly people were very happy and admired the underwater world of Okinawa through the glass bottom of the boat. Thank you so much. The ride is very interesting. My kid and I joined the tour in winter, and we did not need to get wet to see the underwater world, and it was amazing. The boat ride is stable and even the weather is not perfect, we could still lots of coral and fish. It is suitable for kindergarten or lower grade children. In about an hour, they will enter the glass cabin in batches. The air conditioning in the glass cabin is very cold. I don't know why there are not many fish on one side, but there are many fish on the other side. The activity lasts about 50 minutes and is well worth watching. Unfortunately, the water bottom is not clear enough today and I cannot see the corals clearly, but it is also good to see many fish. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. After purchasing the flight with Klook, I will receive an email from the shipping company about the time of departure to check the number of people. The name, nationality and age are the same. After reporting, there will be no problem. It rained on the day of departure. Fortunately, I saw fish. Really enjoyed the glass bottom boat even though it was overcast. I wanted to go on this trip because I wanted my scuba-phobic wife to see the wonders of marine life. I am an avid scuba diver, having dived in Philippines and Indonesia, so I know what I am talking about. But this trip let us see parrotfish and grouper and many other species, so it surpassed my expectations.